everyone, we're going to do 4 examples on solving multi-step equations. These are the 4 we're going to do, so if you are just having problems with 3 or 4, you might want to slide through this. So we're going to get started right away, and the first one we have is this one. So we want to isolate our x and solve for x. So basically I'm going to add 6x to both sides because we want to group like terms. And this equals 0. And basically we have 8 equals 8x. And so for here you should automatically know that x equals 1. So when you go to Algebra 2, you're expected to do more mental math. But bottom line, you would just divide both sides by 8. So that's going to be 1x equals, this equals 1. Alright, the next one is this one. The first thing we need to do is to use the distributive property. And let's take care of the left side. So it's negative 15 minus 9x. Remember, a negative times a positive is a negative, equals 4. Now, I want to isolate my x. So I'm going to go ahead and add 15 to both sides. And this will be 0. And this is 19. And then this one we can't do in our head because it's a fraction here. So we're going to divide both sides by negative 9. So this equals 1. So 1 times x is x equals negative 19 over 9. And you can write it as a solution set like that if you want. All right. The next one is this. So we're going to go ahead and do the same thing. Distribute both the left and the right side. So negative 7 times x is negative 7x. Negative 7 times 1, negative 1 is positive 7. And then we get 5x plus 15. The right side's a little easier. Now I'm going to go ahead and subtract 5x from both sides. And this will just be 0. This is negative 12x. Then I'm going to subtract 7 from both sides. We're just doing like terms here, so you get negative 12x. This equals 0. And this is going to be 8. Then divide both sides by negative 12. That equals 1. So you get x equals negative 8 over 12. We can reduce that by dividing the numerator and the denominator by 4. So that's going to be negative 2 over 3 when you reduce it. And the last one is this one. This one is one that students make a lot of mistakes on. So what I'm going to do first is get rid of these parentheses here on both sides. So I'm going to distribute first. And remember to call out the negative here. So I'm just going to copy down 7y. Then it's negative 3 times 2y is negative 6y. And negative 3 times 6 is negative 18. Okay, then copy down your 5y and do the same thing. This is like, did I copy this down right? Yeah. This is like multiplying by negative 1. So we're just basically negating that quantity there. So we get negative 3y, or minus 3y. They both mean take away. And then minus 10. Now I want to clean up both sides. This is going to be 2y. And this is also going to be 2y. And when you subtract 2y from both sides, they both zero out, so you get negative 18 equals negative 10. Now that doesn't make sense. Anytime you see something like that, that means there's no solution. So anytime you see something like that, it's no solution. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.